Welcome to WonderBurg Pirate Bay. I'm Pirate Parrot. Do you want my treasure? If you do, go find it at WonderBurg Pirate Bay. All of it will be there. I'm no hero. I just do what I want to do. I just want to protect my people. The other ships will still be looking to us. The Black Pearl to lead. And what will they see? Frightened belligerents aboard a derelict ship? No, they will see free men and freedom. And the enemy will see the flash of our cannons, and they will hear the ringing of our swords, and they will know what we can do with the sweat of our brow, and the strength of our backs, and the courage in our hearts. Gentlemen and gentle parrots, hoist the colors!